These are the 3 things that you should do the moment you arrive at Hong Kong International Airport. First is buy a local SIM card with data package. This will keep you connected throughout your travel experience here. Mao na inyong source of data connection, and in our case, we just bought 1 SIM card and amo na lang siyang i-insert sa among extra nga phone, and we will just connect it by hotspot. Second is you need to purchase an Octopus card. This is their primary card nga ginagamit to pay transportation like the buses, the trains, and also you can use this one to pay sa convenience store like the 7-Eleven. Third is withdraw cash. So this will be used to top up your Octopus card and to pay local stores here in Hong Kong. And in our case, we use GCash kay makasave gyud mi ani. We book our Octopus card and our SIM card through Klook kay convenient kay you can pick it up dire gyud mismo sa airport sa arrival, and use our code Lumad Cebuano para mas makasave pag yun mo. Save this video for your next Hong Kong trip.